Nature. Nature is a place where you can find purity, peace, fresh airs, and pure green surroundings. A place where you can relax and gives you positive vibes. We can see the butterflies flying freely, choosing their own way. Fishes are swimming, enjoying the fresh water from the nature. These are the gifts that we receive from God. Plants and trees are growing without even planting. Plants and trees supports us oxygen. So, we have to take care of the nature in return. In province life, we have a lot of ways in order to survive, catching fishes, taking shells, and even crabs. As the water flowing in the stream continually, we are so blessed of having it. Water is very important to our lives. Until these days, we used to wash our clothes in the stream and rivers. We can find a lot of interesting things in our province. As we can see, there's a lot of fruits growing, vines, herbs, trees, bamboos that we can use or take for food. These are bamboo shoots. More Filipinos can relate this kind of vegetable. Some also didn't know yet or even experienced to eat bamboo shoots because it is not common, especially in the city. Bamboos are very useful and it is commonly used for houses, furnitures, and a lot more.
Bujuk! Bujuk! Bujuk ka! Dali! Dali! Nasa ka diha? Ligo ka ha? Ligo ka niya. Bujuk! Bujuk ko! Dali na yun!
This is a coconut fruit falling and driving away from the flowing water of the stream. This is very useful to make a cupra and for vegetables, as we take the coconut milk from it. Here we can see how rocks place to their own places. We don't know when the flood came to disarrange them. That's how people used to be watched for, because in this world, we don't even know where tomorrow brings us for. Caring a pet is a good thing to express our love and care. It is not easy to handle situations that we don't even know how to care others. In our daily living, you can say that you are happy and live a peaceful life if you don't communicate well to your family and loved ones. Showing love and care is not a big loss to yourself, but it is a great victory that you can achieve. Life is so short, we don't even know when will be our life ends. Should we waste our time for nothing, for anger, for jealousy, discontentment, revenge, or envy? Start living with a positive thought in your mind. Care others as God cares and loves us. Don't let your hearts be full of negativity, but let God set it free. I hope that everyone can find peace even in their bad situations. We all know that it is not the end of everything, but it is the beginning of yourself to be strong and dependable unto our God Almighty.